In the deepest, darkest heart of the Amazon, there is a shadow that breathes. Most hunters are born to hide in the light, but this predator was born to be the dark. Meet the ghost of the rainforest, the Black Jaguar. He is not a separate species, but a genetic masterpiece, a melanistic warrior with a coat of obsidian. To the ancient Mayans, he was a god of the night. To modern science, he is the most efficient killing machine in the jungle. While others stalk, he simply appears. With a bite force that can crush a turtle's shell and the stealth of a phantom, the Black Jaguar has no equals. From the canopy to the riverbed, he is a liquid nightmare that turns the entire jungle into his killing floor. You won't see him coming. You'll only feel the weight of the ghost. Tonight, we step into the shadows to track the rarest cat on Earth. Prepare to enter the world of the invisible. This is wild discovery. In the Amazon, the water is not a sanctuary, it's a killing field. While most cats fear the river, the Black Jaguar calls it home. He is a liquid shadow, a phantom that swims with the silence of a shark and the power of a prehistoric god. Watch as he targets the Caiman, the armored king of the river. This isn't a fight, it's a precision strike. With a jaw force that can shatter bone
Jaguars
and
have
pierce
the
reptile
strongest bite of
scales
any
like
big
paper,
cat, capable of
the
piercing
Jaguar
reptile
proves
armor.
why he sits alone at the top of the food chain. He doesn't just hunt in the water, he dominates it. To see the ghost hunt is to see nature's most perfect design. A black-on-black
Even the
predator,
ghost has
invisible
enemies.
in the murk, invincible in the strike. In the flooded forests of the Amazon, the rules are simple. If you see the shadow in the water, it's already too late.
The jaguar's long whiskers twitch to feel vibrations in the humid air and thick brush, helping it navigate its environment.
In a forest where you can't see your own paws, the Black Jaguar doesn't speak with his eyes. He speaks with the wind, a low guttural rasp that travels through the humidity like a ghost's heartbeat, signaling his presence to anyone or anything listening. This is a world of chemical signals and acoustic fingerprints. Through scent glands and subsonic vibrations, the ghost leaves a trail that only his own kind can decode. It's a complex, invisible network of communication that allows two solitary phantoms to find each other in 2 million square miles of green labyrinth. But the language of the Jaguar is as much about war as it is about love.
The jaguar scrapes the earth, then urinates to create a powerful scent marker that lasts for weeks, even in the rain.
And a low-frequency growl can vibrate the very air in an enemy's lungs. In the Amazon, you don't need to be seen to be heard. You just need to be the dark. To study a ghost, you have to think like one. In the vast green labyrinth of the Amazon, human eyes are useless. To track the Black Jaguar, we've turned the jungle into a digital grid, a web of infrared lasers and motion-sensitive eyes that never blink. But every data point reveals a hard truth. As our cities and farms push deeper into the obsidian hunter's domain, the ghost is finding it harder to remain invisible. We aren't just tracking a predator. We are racing against time to protect a myth that is slowly being erased from the map.
To the locals,
He knows we are
he is
here.
the Lord of the Night.
He smells our technology, he avoids our roads, and he watches our cameras with a cold, golden curiosity. We
This
are the
invisible
human
infrared laser
shadow
grid stretches across
following
the jungle
the
trail.
jungle ghost.
It's the only way to catch a ghost.
Whether we save him or lose him depends on what we do with the secrets he leaves behind on an SD card.
The Amazon's edge, where the jungle meets a massive soy farm. Smoke from a clearing fire, places to hide. These green corridors protect vital forest paths, allowing the jaguar to travel safely between
The Amazon
territories.
doesn't give up its secrets easily, but in the heart of an ancient tree, a new chapter has begun. Born into the shadows, this charcoal black cub is more than just a predator. He is a living promise that the ghost of the
This solid
rainforest
black
will
coat
not
is a
fade
rare
into
genetic
myth.
variation, occurring in
Under
only
his
1 out of
mother's
every 4
watchful eye,
births.
he learns the liquid language of the river and the silent code of the canopy. He is the heir to a bite force that shatters bone and a stealth that defies the light. He is nature's most beautiful genetic anomaly, and he is ready to claim his kingdom. 9:15 to 9:45. Tone, deep, serious, authoritative. But the kingdom is shrinking. As the fires of the modern world crawl
will never
closer
meet
to the
his son,
Emerald Labyrinth, the
but his
Black
genes are
Jaguar's
safe.
greatest challenge won't be a rival male or a hungry Caiman. It will be the survival of the forest itself. If we lose the shade, we lose the ghost. Keep your eyes on the shadows, because as long as the Amazon breathes, the phantom will hunt. Thank you for walking the wild with us. This is at Wild Discovery USA.
The wild is watching.